Hi and welcome to the Intervino course on the amazing appellation that is Bordeaux, the wine region that's Bordeaux, because Bordeaux is the name of a city. It's the name of the wine region that's situated around the city of Bordeaux, and it's also the name of the appellation amongst others. To give you an idea, the whole wine region, the whole Bordeaux wine region represents well over 50 different appellations, over 50 different appellations, and it's not like it's a small area. It produces 68 million cases of wine per year. So we're talking about one of the most prestigious wine regions in the world, but also one of the largest, the most important in volume, the largest, the oldest wine regions. So it's a very important region within the world of wine for many, many reasons. So my name is Sasha Hardy. I am the co-founder of Intervino, and doing this course on Bordeaux is something that I've been wanting to do for a long while. For those of you who don't know, I started off studying wine at the Viticultural School of St Emilion, which is St Emilion is one of the appellations of the Bordeaux wine region, and it's one of the main schools, viticultural schools of the Bordeaux region. I studied wines there back in the early 90s, so a long time ago. And it's really fantastic for me to be able to come back to Bordeaux and to share. It, of course, is one of the important appellations to know for me, but it's also an appellation and a wine region that's close to my heart. So it's fantastic. As I said, I studied wines in Bordeaux. Since then, I've had the chance of working with many of the world's greatest estates, really all over the world. Finishing off my last job working for the wine production side was in Burgundy. So I've really been around, and coming back to Bordeaux feels a bit special to me. So I'm really happy that you're giving me the opportunity to share, for me to share with you what truly is one of my favorite wine regions in the world. Over the next few videos, we're going to be really diving in to this wine region, to the different sub-regions within the Bordeaux wine region. We're going to look at the different appellations. We're going to look at what makes this region such an important region. The program is going to be, we're first of all going to look at the history of Bordeaux. What is it in its past that makes it so important? Probably the most important wine region in the world today. We're then going to look at the geography. And when I say geography, I really mean geography as a whole. So we're going to look at the climate, we're going to look at the soil, the subsoil, we're going to look at some of the winemaking, we're going to look at some of the wine growing, basically everything that's going to have an influence on the wines that are produced in that region. We're then going to look at, over the following videos, we're going to be looking at the different sub-regions of the Bordeaux production area. So we're going to be starting off, we're going to look at the Médoc. We're then going to look at the Grave region, and following down the Garonne, on the left bank of the Garonne, we're going to be looking at Sauternes. After that, we're going to be looking at the Libournais and the beautiful it's a beautiful region which has names such as St Emilion and Pomerol. We're going to be looking at the Côte de Bordeaux. We're going to be looking then at the Entre-deux-Mers. So really, we're going to look at all the different production zones within this great Bordeaux production area, we're going to look at what makes them different and what makes them different in the growing, but also in the final product, in the wines that we're going to be that are going to be produced in those subregions. And finally, we're going to look into the Bordeaux wine trade. We're going to look at what it means for you as a consumer, what it means for you when you want to buy wine, how to buy it. It's a region that's a bit special because it's not only a region where the wines today are being consumed, but it's become a region where a lot of the wines are investment products. So we're going to look into that a little bit as well. And that means that by the end of this course, you're going to have a really in-depth knowledge about this wonderful region that's Bordeaux. I look forward to seeing you in the next video, where we're going to be looking at what makes Bordeaux, the history of Bordeaux. I'll see you in the next video.